Hi everyone, it's Crazy Honda Chris here at Randy Kill Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Here behind me I have a 2021 Honda Civic Sport hatchback. I'm going to walk around this vehicle, show you the cool standard features and functions, answer any questions you may have. Now as those questions come up, drop a comment down below. I also have my contact information there. Don't hesitate, give me a call, shoot me a text. Also, if you're in the market, keep that handy. I'll always help you guys out. Now if you guys found this video helpful, show your support by hitting like and subscribe, alright? Now let's go walk around it. All right, so here we are outside the 2021 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport. We're gonna walk up here to the Maroni sticker. You guys are welcome to pause right there for some additional information to explore on your own. Now up on the top right hand corner, it talks about your fuel economy. You got 29 for the city, 35 for the highway with a combined of 32. Down on the right hand corner, it talks about your safety ratings, 5 out of 5. Who doesn't love that? Where the vehicle's made at, this particular one was the symbol in England, the price point, and then the list of standard features, which we're gonna cover today. All right, comes standard with 2 key fobs with remote start. To use remote start, it's going to be easy. All you have to do is hit lock twice, 1, 2. Click and hold this button down here for a few seconds. You'll see the lights flash. It's going to start right up. It's going to heat and cool the car to 72 degrees, runs in 10-minute intervals, and the doors will remain locked. Now, all of your Honda sensing features are standard. I'm talking about your lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and your forward collision magnetic braking with road departure. You have a 1.5 4-cylinder turbo with a CVT transmission. We're talking about 180 horsepower. Fog lights down below. I love the front end on this. I like the black finish of the chrome. You're going to have LED daytime running lights. Step right over here along the side, you get those nice exclusive 18-inch alloyed rims. Powered body colored side mirrors, and then body colored handles. Now around the windows here is a nice black finish, just kind of ties in that sport kind of look. Then a little bit of trim down below. Once again, it's gonna be a nice black finish from down there. It's nice. Now over here at the gas can, we have a capless gas tank. So simply when the car is unlocked, you come up, push that right in, pops right open. No longer a $2 cap to argue and debate with. It's a simple slide and go. Never have to worry about replacing that cap ever again. Now when the car's locked up, guess what? Everything's locked up. We'll step here towards the back of the vehicle. You got these nice spoilers. You got one down here on the bottom, one up top. Kind of get a little side profile so you can see that. So here in the back, nice aggressive. You got a dual center exhaust with chrome tipped. A multi-angle rear camera. I love how the taillights kind of work right into all this. You got a badge of honor right over here. You know, the sport badging, so people kind of know what's going on. All right, it's going to be a hydraulic tailgate. Pops right open. As you can see, there's plenty of space, so as life happens, challenge accepted. Fill it up, you're all good. You also have a privacy blind here so you can keep your supplies out of the sun or have people just mind their own business, so you set up for success. Down below, you have a spare tire for those unforeseen events. Hopefully you never need it. Seats will come down. It's going to be a 60-40 split seats. So you need that additional space, not a problem. We got your back. All right, as we open up the back door here, you guys know about power windows. That's all easy, straightforward. You got some additional cubby space right over here. Let's fold these seats back up. It's going to be easy. And there we go. So grab and pull. We got carpet mats, comes standard, no additional charge. So we're also going to have smart entry with the vehicle. So let's say the car's all locked up, right? You walk up to the car with the key fob in your purse, jacket, whatever the case is, put your hand in the handle, it's going to automatically unlock it for you. You can also lock it by hitting this button down below with the key fob as you walk away with the key fob and with confidence knowing the car's all locked up. Now as we open up the door, you guys know about power windows, power locks, all that's easy. You got the window lock option here. You also have your mirror selector with the D-pad from there. And we got some additional cubby space down below. Now before I go any further, let's say if you accidentally left your key fob in the car, oops, fell in my pocket for any kind of reason, hit the lock button, walk out, shut the door. You cannot accidentally lock your keys in the car. Those days are over. You got manual seats. It's going to be a pump action. So raise, lower. You got your recline. Then you also have the squeeze bar here to slide forward and back. We have a hood release. Nice metal finish for the pedals. It's going to be a push button start. So simply have the key fob with you inside of the car, hit the start button, and watch everything light up. All right, I'm just going to drive us here quick out of the sun so you guys don't see all the glare. Did not plan ahead for that one. All right, perfect. So here we are. Now over here on the left hand side, you got some additional buttons. As you can see, you got your forward collision magnetic braking if you ever want to shut that off, vehicle stability assist, and your road departure. So there it is. Steering wheel is going to be adjustable. It's going to be all the way down here. So we have a telescope, goes in and out, up and down, so adjust as you see fit. All of your Honda sensing features are going to be right over here on the right hand side of the steering wheel. You can tell when those are available when you hit the main button, and then you see the green writing. So you got your ACCs, your adaptive cruise control, then your lane keep assist system. Let's say if you don't see it up there, not a problem. Just hit the main button, then it will pop up. As you see, it went away. Now it reappeared. Cruise control, change your speeds. Adaptive cruise control is right over here. When you have your cruise control on, you can set the distance between you and the car in front of you. As you can see, those lines up there changing. I'm setting the distance. More lines means further. Less lines means I'm going to be closer. So let's say, I don't know, I'm going 25, and the car in front of me is going 20, right? Once it senses that car and that range, it will beep, depending on the settings. You can shut that off or on, and then it will slow me down to maintain that distance, or I'll match my speed with theirs. Now when they get out of the way, I'm going to resume back to my cruise control speed. You have your lane keep assist. When I go in the proper speed, we filled in white dotted lines up there, and then when I go out my lane a little bit, it's going to beep at me. You can turn that on or off, then it brings you back and recenters you from that point. So how cool is that? Now once you go on the proper speed and all that certain criteria, they'd be filled in white dotted lines, but we're not right now, so it's hollowed out lines, so you have a visual confirmation it's not on, it's not working. You got shifter pedals, pretty much change your automatic into a manual. You have all of your media source over here, hands free for your phone, answer the phone. You can hang up, back out with voice command right here. Hey, click that. Hey, call Crazy Honda Chris mobile phone, gives me a call. I answer all of you guys' questions for life. Auto lights, fog lights. You got your wipers and everything else on the other side, of course. And you got your rear wipers. Now with your wipers, as you pull down, the more you pull down, the faster they're going to go. You got your fuel tank over here on the right hand side. Temperature gauge over there on the left. I'm going to go through the menu here quick, silently. If you guys have any questions about what's in the menu, feel free to drop a comment down below or contact me, Crazy Honda Chris, here at Randy Kill Honda. All right, right over here on the right hand side, you got your screen. We're gonna hit the home bit menu. Let's talk about your music sources. So you got your radio, you got FM, AM radio, you have a USB plug-in, iPod, Bluetooth, Pandora, then your smartphone connection. The smartphone connection is gonna be at your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got a little extension cord right here, which plugs in all the way down over there to that USB port. So with Apple CarPlay, it's a simple plug and play. If you have an Android phone, it's not a problem. Download Android Auto and then allow all the permissions. Then you plug your phone charger cable into that, and plug it into your phone. It's going to display everything right up here. By everything, I mean like your Apple Maps, Google Maps, whatever it's called for your device, and then other compatible apps while charging your device. It will play through the speakers for you and while charging your device. Excuse me. We'll go back to the home menu here. You can pair up multiple phones. You got your settings. You can customize all of your vehicle settings right here. Then once again, your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is going to be right over there once it's plugged in. Then you have your HondaLink. You have your climate control, everything down below. You got your fan speed, temperature gauge, air circulation, bringing air from the outside, front defroster, rear defroster. Then you hit climate. It's all going to be touchscreen, so you can see, reacts pretty quick. Then I just hit climate, it takes me right back. Nice little tray over here. On the other side, we're going to have a 12-volt plug-in. Tray down below. You have a couple different drives. You guys know about park, reverse. When you throw it into reverse, your multi-angle rear camera automatically displays. Down on the bottom left-hand corner shows you these little pictures, which is going to be push buttons. Touch that on the touch screen. I'm just going to show you how it acts. So it's a nice 180 view for this one selected, so you catch a little more of your blind spot. Then you have the right behind you view, then a straight down shot from your rear bumper view. Now, the cool thing about this, I can do this one-handed. There we go. As you turn your wheel, changes colors to let you know you're not in line. Then it also guides you where you're going. All right, you got your neutral drive, then you have a sport drive. It's going to be more of your throttle, change the gear ratio for your car. You have electrical parking brake, hold brake, then Econ button. The cool thing about the Econ button is you smack that, you get this nice, beautiful green leaf up there on the top left-hand corner to let you know it's on. So Econ is going to make you more fuel efficient, most effective for your highway driving. With city, you're doing stop and going, so it's not as effective for your highway driving. You're going to be sacrificing acceleration power, AC power, and electrical power up front to give you better fuel economy. You're talking about anywhere from 2 to 4 more miles to a gallon, depending on how aggressive you're driving. Now, if you want to be a little more aware of that, you got these nice white lights up here. They're going to be like a visual coach. So right now, they're white. We're not being fuel efficient, but let's say if we were, it'd be turning from white to green, and when you're not, from green to white. So if you want to level up in your fuel economy, there it is, a nice little visual coach. Armrest. Nice leather. Got some additional storage space over here. Cup holders. Place for my big gulp with a USB plug-in down there. This will come out if I ever make a mess. I need to clean it. It's not a problem. Challenge accepted. Most likely I'm going to fill that up. Forget about what's inside. So you mean you have a good sized glove box. I love the trim work around here on the dash. Just for you guys to see it. A little bit of silver over here on the trim of the door. Nice little pattern on the front seats. All right, there it is, guys. So that's going to be the 2021 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport. If you guys found this video helpful, please feel free to show your support by hitting like and subscribe. Share with a friend if you know anyone that's in the market. And don't forget to contact me, Crazy Honda Chris, here at Randy Kill Honda. Once again, any other questions or like to share your experience about Honda or the Honda Civic in particular, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear it. I'd like to hear you guys' stories. I share those all the time with my customers. They'll love to hear about people's first-hand experiences. All right, thank you again for watching. This is Crazy Honda Chris signing off.